In this video, we're going to see if it's possible to crossplay Rainbow Six Siege between Xbox and PC. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. To answer this, I'm at the official Ubisoft Help Center, and in here we can look for crossplay. And the second most popular resource over here is crossplay and cross-progression features in Ubisoft games. If we select this, it gives us the detailed breakdown of how crossplay works in Ubisoft games, and we can select how it works specifically for Rainbow Six Siege over here. When we select the Rainbow Six Siege crossplay article, it tells us that Rainbow Six Siege supports crossplay between PlayStation and Xbox consoles or between PC and Luna. Furthermore, they say that it's not possible to matchmake between PC and console platforms. What this means is that sadly, as of today, you can only use cross-progression between platforms of Rainbow Six Siege. You cannot do crossplay between PC and console as of today. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that according to the official Ubisoft Help Center article, only cross-progression is possible between Xbox and PC for Rainbow Six Siege, and crossplay is not available for the title. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.